We're going to talk about charts in Excel. I have received a chart like this and asked the student why it is like this, and the answer has been, well, that's how it was from Excel. The point is, you are responsible for the output, and this is not adequate at all. It's not saying anything. So we need to tidy it up. First thing is, we've only got 2 bars here, and the reason for that is that it has gone up to 3 because I've been very lazy and I just blocked this in order to make the graph, and that included this number 3 and lots of little numbers. So to put it all in one, it's had to squash the little numbers all up into just 2 bars there. So that's clearly not adequate. We therefore go to Format Axis, which is that has come up automatically for me, and we need to work out what the maximum we want is. To do that, I've looked at maximum here, and it's 0.032, which is considerably above these, but if I look down here, that's 0.04, so that's going to make that, or a little bit before that, the maximum. And the minimum here is minus 0.04, so that's probably okay. So I want to create a maximum of 0.04, so I go back to where I was on the axis, and I put the overflow bin as being 0.04. And that says anything above 0.04 you put into an overflow bin, and it's got that. Now that obviously now looks utterly ridiculous, so I need to go back to Format Axis, and I want to increase the number of bins. Well, I've got a lot of observations, so 20 should produce something that's interesting. And there's the 20, and that is just the bin for above 0.04. We've still got a problem here with all these numbers. It's to so many decimal places, so we want to reduce that. Now to do that, we can, hopefully this will work. It doesn't always work. Oh yes. As you can see, as we reduce, now that's probably a bit too much, so we want, I think, about 3 decimal places, and that is going to be sufficient. Other things we need to do is we need to add the axis titles. So this is return, daily return for the FTSE All Share Index. Don't be afraid of having long titles. Often in what you produce, all that is read are the pictures and then 1 or 2 sentences. So you've got to make your pictures look good and self-explanatory. So you need to put in a proper chart title there, and you need to put just something like frequency here. So no matter how obvious it may be, you need to put it in. Okay, so now it's and Okay, so now we've got something that is looking reasonably good.